Have you ever experienced the beauty of a sunset in different parts of the world? Join this adventure as the most stunning sunsets around the globe are captured. The journey starts in Santorini, Greece, where the stunning sunset views over the Aegean Sea are a sight to behold. Head to the Maldives, where spectacular sunsets paint the sky with vibrant colors, as the sun slowly dips below the crystal-clear waters. The adventure continues in Bali, Indonesia, where the sunset views from the famous Tanah Lot Temple are breathtakingly beautiful. Travel from Bali to the Sahara Desert in Morocco, where the sunsets are truly magical, with vibrant hues reflecting off sandy dunes. Finally, the journey ends in Hawaii, where the sunsets are vibrant, colorful, and truly mesmerizing.